car that's not really hard to steer. Now let's look for a spot to turn around. Making around 200 horsepower from what I heard from the previous owner, who was the one that built the car. With some ITBs, they told me that it can, in race spec, the engine can make around 300, but they choked down the intake to bring it down a little bit for the street. But it has the 5th injector scirocco fuel system, forged internals, high compression, headers, full exhaust. Ignition system was just rebuilt. It has cams, so pretty much everything you need to go fast. It just needs the intake unrestricted, but as it is, it's plenty of power. Car just needs little things. It could probably use an alignment. There's a little bit of a shake in the wheel, so that the wheels and tires could be balanced. I found a couple torn boots and a few little pieces missing. The interior's not perfect, so it needs a little work, but as it is, it's running and driving and has a lot of good parts to go with it. These dials, they still need hooked up. There's some wiring that could be cleaned up since it's a swapped car. There's just kind of some loose things that weren't hooked up, but everything's functional except these windows. The rear is roll windows, so those work, but the fronts need hooked up still. And then passenger door, you have to open from the inside, so it's mostly just little quirks. There's some cracks in the bumpers that have been, they've been patched, it looks like. But mostly just little things here and there. As far as functionality and